Follow these guidelines to eliminate your snoring. Snoring is a problem many people have, and it may or may not be serious. Most of the time it has been just an irritation to family members within earshot who are trying to sleep. Snoring can also be an indication of sleep apnea, which is a serious problem for the snorer. If you regularly use cigarettes and other tobacco products, you probably also snore. The ingredients in these products dries out the mucosal membranes in your nose, mouth and airway, which leads to difficulty breathing and loud snoring. If at all possible, do not smoke cigarettes within 5 hours of your bedtime, as the smoke will cause your airway to become inflamed. Avoid eating a big meal before going to bed. Having a stomach that is full will push up on the diaphragm, and this can limit your ability to breathe. You should also avoid rich foods, like chocolate, pizza, cookies and cake before bed. They can make your stomach feel full. Do not sleep on your back, instead try sleeping on your side. If sleeping on your side is not natural, you can try to remedy the problem. Tie a tennis ball to your waist, positioned against your back. The discomfort caused by rolling onto the ball can keep you on your side. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. To keep your snoring under control, invest in a firm pillow. Softer pillows cause the muscles in your throat to relax, making the air passages too narrow. Because the air will have a harder time to get through, you will be snoring. Using a pillow that is more firm helps the nasal passages remain open. If you want to stop snoring, talk to your dentist or physician about a mouth guard. The purpose of the guard is to keep your teeth together, and to ensure that the lower jaw muscles do not relax so much that your air passageways slacken, and snoring starts again. That's the last thing you want. By referring to the tips in this video, you can find information to help relieve a snoring problem. If there are indications that a snoring problem is causing tiredness and irritation in the snorer, a sleep study can be done to determine if apnea is involved, or if your snoring is mild. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.